comes to the national calamity, no additional benefit that the affected state is going to derive. I have with me the National Policy on Disaster Management 2009 which is 2027. I have also with me excerpts from the high-level committee which was set up in 1999, and I also have the details, the excerpts from guidelines on MP LADs. I'll go first with the guidelines of the MP LADs. Normally, according to these guidelines, MP LADs can be implemented in areas prone or affected by calamities like floods, cyclones, etc. The Lok Sabha MPs from the non-affected areas of the state can also recommend permissible works up to a maximum of 10 lakhs. So this is within the state. The local MP can recommend anything, but the other MPs can also recommend up to 10 lakhs for the permissible works. However, in the event of calamities of severe nature in any part of the country, an MP can recommend works up to a maximum of rupees 50 lakhs for the affect district. Whether a calamity is of severe nature or not will be decided by the Government of India. If this is being understood, misunderstood or misrepresented by some people, that if it has to be declared a national calamity, what they are saying is completely different from what the MP LADs guidelines talk about. Calamity of severe nature. Yes, the Uttarakhand disaster is being declared a calamity of severe nature. So MPs from anywhere in the country can recommend permissible works to an extent of 50 lakhs in the affected districts of Uttarakhand. Now I think once and for all this controversy should be laid to rest. It is something that a lot of people are also have expressed their concern and said, why can't this be declared a national calamity or a national disaster? So I would like to mention here very clearly that there is no such thing. But as far as whether it was Sikkim in 2011 or Uttarakhand in 2013, the Government of India has announced a package of 1,000 crores. The Honorable Prime Minister has declared it when he returned from the aerial survey along with the UPA chairperson and Congress President Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. And the Prime Minister has also offered all necessary help, be it in terms of funds or in terms of resources, to tackle the situation.
आपको दिखा रहे थे एनडीएमए की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, जहां पर ये कहने की कोशिश की जा रही थी कि एमपी लैड के जो फंड्स हैं उसके ऊपर विवाद ना खड़ा किया जाए, क्योंकि देश के किसी भी कोने में कोई एमपी है, सांसद है, तो वो अपने फंड में से बाकायदा 50 लाख की राशि तक का जो डोनेशन है वो कर सकता है सिवियर नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स की स्थिति में। आगे